Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and this is going to be our first video on email marketing. As I told you earlier in my previous video that I am going to give you a complete tutorial step by step about email marketing, right? So if you are a beginner and you are watching this video for the first time, then you may consider like, subscribe and press that bell icon so that you never miss out any update related to email marketing, the complete tutorial, all the video I'm gonna upload on this channel, right? So before starting, what is email marketing, right? I want to tell you something, that there are a lot of examples, a lot of definitions are available on the internet like Google, YouTube, Yahoo, Bing and a lot of other platforms as well. But as you know, I believe in simplicity and I try to deliver my content in simplest way so that you can understand in a better way and you can apply this type of content in reality, in your business, in your work easily, right? See, there is no way of doing all this video, making all this hard work and dedication unless I can add some value in your life, right? Alright, so let's dive into the content. So today this is our first tutorial, and in this tutorial we will understand or learn few basic things about email marketing, like what is email marketing, right? So let us understand basic things in simple way. There are two words, one is email and another one is marketing. It means in simple way we can say it is a type of marketing, right? So email marketing is a type of marketing which comes under online marketing or digital marketing. In broader sense, what we can say is that email marketing is a type of online marketing or digital marketing where we send messages or promotional messages to our targeted audience or clients in a specified and structured manner, not like regular emails, right? In a specified and structured manner by using electronic mail or email. That is called email marketing. So here I have mentioned two things, that it has to be targeted audience and the email should be written in a structured and specified manner. Why? Because this is a professional email, not like email content that we are sending to our friends or family, inviting in our birthday or in our wedding anniversary, something like that. No, right? Absolutely not. So this is a professional business email. So it has to be written in a specified and structured manner. What is email signature? How many links should be there? How many words should be there? And what kind of email template should be, right? So everything, all this term that I have mentioned over here, we are gonna discuss one by one on the another tutorial, right? So as we go through all these tutorials, so we will get to know each and everything, whatever I have mentioned over here. So don't worry about that. So today is a very basic tutorial, the first tutorial, and that is about what is email marketing. So once again, we will try to understand what is email marketing. Email marketing in simple way is a type of online or digital marketing where by using email we are sending our promotional messages related to our product or service to our targeted audience or customer, maybe existing customer or new customer, right, in order to sell that product or service by using electronic mail or email. That is called email marketing. So that's it guys in this video, in this tutorial, and we will see you on another video, on another tutorial. That will be tutorial number 1. So if you really like my video, my content, then you may consider like, subscribe and press that bell icon so that you never miss out any single video whenever I'll be uploading on my channel. So thank you so much for watching my videos. Have a good day. See you on another video. Thank you.